2022. So here I put an AC system replacement in a lady's house last fall, and it was a little chilly back then when I installed it, and I kind of set the subcooling, but it was probably only like 60 degrees out. So I'm going to go back over there today. It's a little warmer, and we're going to check it, make sure that the charge is okay. It's gonna get hot over the weekend. I just want to double check it. She's got another house down there. Their daughter stays at. That's got a couple of AC units. I replaced the first company unit on the second floor, and I think I put I think it was a Goodman. Oh, I did. There was a Rudd out there. I gotta go and check that one also. I think she's got a Goodman on the first floor. That's her daughter's house. That daughter stays at. I gotta go over and check them too, but I'm gonna go over and check that one that I installed last fall. Charge should be fine, but I like to check it on a hot day to make sure. I think I reused the line set. Yeah, I reused the line set, I blew it out, and I just changed the condenser and the air handler. The air handler, I had to put plywood down upstairs. It was a real shit show. She's got one 16-inch return on it, I think. But anyway, we're going to go over there and start it up and see what our subcooler looks like. I think I set it about 9. We'll see. Little mini split. We gotta just check the filter. Yeah, it's like, oh, she doesn't even really use this unit. They should have filter's clean. Yeah, I should probably change it. It's a little dirty. Change this filter. Change this one. I just put a new filter in there. I'm gonna get her a case. 24 by 24. I'll just get her. That one's not so bad, but we're changing it. I'll get her a case of filters. Yeah, it's not even that cool in here, but I'm alright to check it. Just to check it, make sure it's okay. Cooling. Coming out nice and warm here. Above 100 on the suction for 410. Alright, subcooling looks good at 10. It's got a TXV up there. And the TXV is regulating the superheat at 16. That all looks fine. I just put it in last year. It's a 30, it's a 2.5 ton. Say 30, it's a 2.5 ton. That's what you want to see. You want to get a nice, be warm coming out of here. You want to see the suction line sweating. Alright. That's all good right there, so that's fine. Just wanted to double check it. Make sure it's good to go. That's fine. We gotta set that. I think 72, 74 is probably fine. I'll just leave it off. It's only 66 in here. I wonder where he's got the heat set at. 64. It's summertime, we don't need the heat now. Get her a case of filters, the kind I wanted to run here, and drop them off for her. Looks like it locked out. I got oil. They might have ran out of oil. I'm not the one doing the burner service here, but I can call the lady. We'll see if it fires. Sounds like it's out of starving for oil. It's probably got air in the line. You're gonna need to either call the guy who works on it. Have me do it, one of the two. She's doing a funky chicken there. Spittering and sputtering. Could be it needs new filters. I'll have to call her and see who she has doing the service. Oh, 05. Yeah, I'll call her. If I don't know who she's got doing the burner service, not me. If she wants me to do it. Burner needs service, so I'll tell her. I'm here to work on the AC. This one. This is a new unit I put in 2.5 years ago. No condenser outside. This one ain't dirty either. This one's fine. This is straight cooling. It's not a heat pump. Straight cooling. The boiler downstairs feeds the coil over here. We'll see what this one does. Air coming out the top, that's what we want to see. This is cold to the touch. Let's put the gauges on it. This is just a little bit, just a little warm, but nothing crazy. 13 on the subcooling. We're above 100 on the suction. Our superheat's being regulated with a TXV, so we're going to leave it right there. Good right there with that one. Yeah, see at 66. I mean, you're not going to run it at that temperature. 70, 72, 73, something like that. You'll be running it at. Check the other one.